Hello class, let's take some examples here. Y cube plus y square minus y plus 15, 4x square minus 3x minus 1, 2x plus 3, 2y plus 3y 5, x plus y plus z plus xyz, 4y 5x square plus x minus 7. What are these expressions called? These are nothing but algebraic expressions or polynomials. At the end of this lesson, you will be able to identify linear equations in one variable, identify their terms, variables, and coefficients, solve a given linear equation in one variable, and that is, find its solution. Let us take this example, 4y 5x squared plus x minus 7. Now this is a polynomial in x variable. Now if you take this 4y 5x squared plus x minus 7, and if you put an equal to sign and then equate it to some other constant, say 0, then this equal to sign gives us an algebraic equation, or we can say it is equated to a constant or any other variable. So we can call this now an algebraic equation, and hence we can define this as any algebraic expression which is equated to some constant. It is called an equation. Let us take this example, 4x cubed plus 7x squared plus 4x plus 3 is equals to 0. This 3 is called the power, and it is the highest one among any of the other powers. So this highest power is called the degree of the equation. So there are different types of algebraic equations according to their degrees. Let us take these examples. In the first example, we have 4x cubed plus 7x squared plus 4x plus 3 is equals to 0, where the terms, that is first term 4x cubed, second is 7x squared, third is 4x, and the fourth is 3. Here we see the highest degree is 3, and it is called cubic equation. In the second one, we have 2x squared plus x minus 1 is equals to 0, where the first term is 2x squared, second is x, and third is minus 1. Here the highest degree is 2, and it is called a quadratic equation. And in the last algebraic equation, we have 2x plus 5 is equals to 0, where the first term is 2x, second is 5. Here the highest degree is 1, and we call it linear equation. And this is the equations we are learning about, and we'll try to solve these equations. Now let us see what a linear equation is called. An algebraic equation with the highest degree 1 is called linear equation. So we have 2x minus 3 is equals to 0. This is the linear equation having left hand side, which is also known as LHS, and then we have an equal to sign, and then we have the right hand side, also known as RHS, which is equals to 0. So these are the different parts in an equation. Now let us further divide these parts and understand them. So we have in the left hand side 2x, which is called a variable of x, and here 2 is called the coefficient of x, and then we have a minus 3, which is a constant. Then on the right hand side we have 0, which is also another constant. So these are the parts of an algebraic equation. In our case, that is in linear equation. So 2x minus 3 is equals to 0 is an algebraic equation having degree 1, and we call this algebraic equation as linear equation. Now let us learn how to solve a linear equation in one variable. Let us take this example. X minus 2 is equals to 7. X minus 2 is the left hand side and 7 is the right hand side. Step 1. We must keep the terms containing variable in the left hand side and the constants on the right hand side. How do we do that? Is we take away all the constant terms to the right hand side along with the sign. So this is what we do. So we are taking minus 2 towards the right hand side, and when we change the side it becomes plus 2. So our new equation is now x is equals to 7 plus 2. After that, step number 3 is we apply the mathematical operation, that is addition, subtraction, multiplication or division as per our requirement. So in this case we have addition. So what we do is we add 7 and 2. So x now is equals to 9, which is our final answer. So therefore we can say the solution or the value of x is 9. Let us take this one more example. 7x minus 9 is equals to 16. Now how do we solve this again? Again we'll go to the steps here. The first step, we'll take 9, that is minus 9, towards the right hand side, and when it changes it becomes plus 9. Now we conduct the mathematical operation, that is 16 plus 9, which gives us 25. Now we have this 7 which is multiplying x. Now what do we do with this? What we do is we take this 7 underneath and divide 25, because we need to keep only the variable on the left hand side. So we get x equals to 25 by 7, which can further be written as x equals to 3 4 by 7, which is our final answer. Now again let us take another example which is quite a different one. So here we have 3 by 7 plus x is equals to 17 by 7. Again we have to take the constant term towards the right hand side, leaving the variable on the left hand side. So we have x is equals to 17 by 7 minus 3 by 7. Now we have this 7 in the denominator. What we do now is we have to take the LCM of 7 and another 7. So after we take the LCM, we get something like this, that is x equals to 17 minus 3 by 7. And then we need to conduct the mathematical operation, that is 17 minus 3 in the numerator, and we need to keep the 7 as it is. So we get x is equals to 14 by 7. After that, we know that 7 is the factor of 14, so we cancel. 7 times 1 is 7 and 7 times 2 is 14. So our final answer is x equals to 2. Thank you for watching this video. I will be uploading more videos to help you understand linear equation one variable.